In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to load paper into your Canon PIXMA TS3720 series printer. If you find this video helpful, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is to get our A4 paper or whatever size paper you want to use and make sure we have it ready to put into our printer. So guys, I have my paper here and my printer. You don't actually need your printer to be on for this, but it might help. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to lift up the back flap, which is incidentally the rear paper panel feeder. So what you're going to see is when you first have your printer is that this blue clamp will be here at the back of the printer. So all you need to do, guys, to insert your paper properly is just to take this blue clamp and drag it all the way to the left. And then once you've done that, just take your paper and place it in as so on the right hand side so that it is nice and snug in the printer. So then there is just one final step, guys, which is to take the clamp and just kind of place it just so that the paper is nice and snug. You don't want to squash the paper, just so that it's nice and snug, guys, and that all the paper is kind of seamless and that it doesn't go flying everywhere once you start your paper, your printing, as that might happen. You can check here to make sure that it has correctly gotten the correct paper size. But yeah, guys, that is it. That is how to load paper into your printer. And I think I accidentally pressed a print job, so it's gonna do one now just to show you that it is inserted properly. But thank you guys very much for watching. If you did find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you guys are in the market for any paper supplies, make sure to check out our link in the description. Our sponsor is a global paper supply store or printer supply store. Here we go, look at that. It just did it perfectly. Our paper was loaded perfectly fine. And yeah, guys, so if you're in the market for any printer supplies, check out our link in the description. They're a global printer supply store and they have really good deals and stuff all the time. You'd be helping out a small business as well, which would be really nice. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.